In today's video, I will show you how to change the theme of Tinder. When it comes to swiping on profiles, the interface look can make a big difference, especially since millions of people tend to browse the app later in the evening when winding down. To give users more comfort and reduce eye strain during those late night sessions, Tinder officially integrated an appearance customizer right into the platform. Tweaking this feature allows you to control how bright your interface is, and it only takes a moment to adjust. First, open the Tinder app on your phone. Once you are on the main interface, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile page, go ahead and tap the gear icon, which represents your settings, located in the top right corner. Next, scroll down the settings page until you reach the appearance or theme section. From here, you can tap on your preferred theme based on how you like to browse. Selecting light mode gives you the classic white background that works great in bright daylight. If you prefer to swipe in low light conditions without staring into a bright screen, tapping dark mode will instantly switch you to a sleek, black background that saves battery and relaxes your eyes. Finally, you can choose Use System Settings, which automatically matches the exact light or dark theme configurations of your iOS or Android device. And that's it. That's how you change the theme of Tinder.